let's go for a drive in this super clean 1973 VW passenger bus. This bus is available and for sale. It's $27,500 and we are motivated sellers, which means that price is negotiable. Let's go for a ride. Let's go for a ride. Cruising in the 1973 bus. This bus is available. It's super clean and it's running beautifully. I have been driving it around. I'm kind of test driving it. It doesn't really need any test driving. It's like my excuse to drive it. It already runs really well. I'm just cruising, enjoying it. I will be getting photos, more video of this bus as we go along. It is ready and available now. Excited to share it with you guys inside and out. Really nice, really clean. I love the color. Ready to go. Clean title, current registration, mechanically sound, no rust. Has the middle seat, has the back seat. Front seats are nice and clean. No rips or anything like that. So it's a really nice bus. Really nice bus. I'll hop out at some point. I'll get some video, share with you guys inside and out. And it's ready to go. If you guys are interested, you know what to do. Reach out and we'll talk. I'll give you the rundown. Shipping, as always, is available. So if you're not local to come and see it, we can always help you out with shipping and set everything up for you. Do a FaceTime, show you the bus inside and out. I'll find a spot, I'll pull over, and then I'll get some